G'day legends, welcome back to another video. Thought it'd be a good idea just to have a look at the 410EX NERA from Husqvarna and see how it's going in my backyard. Just a normal Aussie backyard, rectangle. We've got garden beds, we've got drains, we've got kids' toys, all sorts of obstacles. Be interesting to see how this thing handles everything in a traditional standard Aussie lawn. So I wanted to know whether this 410EX NERA could navigate all those obstacles without messing up and still do a great job. So how does it do with the edges? Well, as you can see here, surprisingly good. If your initial setup is done well, this thing gets right to the edges of garden beds, way tighter than I expected thanks to the edge cut technology. It gets to the edges, spins around, does the cut and then moves on to the next place. It's really important to get the initial setup just right and get as close to the edges as you can when you're driving around setting up the perimeters. That makes a massive difference. As you can see here, these are the edge cut blades. So it spins around, gets close to the edges, and then this one spins around and these little razor blades come out and just tackle the edges. Quite a simple design really, but mowers that don't have the edge cut, you obviously don't get, you don't get as close to the edges as this does. You still need to go around and do the edges with your whippy, but this minimises that about as best as you're going to get, I think, from an Automower at this stage. So I've got a section towards the back here with some trees, a little tree that's been planted and a bit of a rough patch. The mower just slows itself down, works around it and keeps mowing. It's a smart little unit. You can see it there spinning around using that edge cut technology as well. And then off it goes along the rest of the lawn. Obviously you want to keep the lawn free of stuff like this, sticks and dog poo and things like that. It's not a miracle worker, but that's the same with any mower really. Before you mow it, you want to give it a nice clean tidy up and then let it do its thing. So with a clean run and the settings dialed in, it just gets to work nice and easy. No stress, no noise, it just does a great job. So can the mower handle a real Aussie backyard? Yes, it can. I've tested it over the last 4 to 5 weeks and it hasn't missed a beat. This is the Husqvarna 410EX NERA. Highly recommended little robot. So if you want to see how you install this mower, check out this video up here for the install. And thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.